Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. Redefining you and life. Growth comes from stepping out into the unknown and being the best you. It's honoring what brought you here and all the progress along your physical trail. It's being aware you cannot create out of sameness, but the unknown gives you the perfect opportunity to redefine you in your newfound life. Thank you so much, Danny G. That's power. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think about the good in your life right now. I am grateful for some new friends I met online. I'm grateful for social media. And I'm grateful for my wife. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in, and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.